Hello, good day, and welcome back to our product management class. Now, today we'll be continuing from where we stopped last week. Last week, I just dealt on definition of a product manager and um, who is a product manager and the responsibilities of a product manager. Today, we're going to be continuing from where we stopped. But before we continue, the statistics shows that a number of you who watched our last video hadn't yet subscribed to our channel. So please do well to subscribe to our channel. Subscribing to our channel is a way of supporting us to continue posting enriching content. I mean, this is just a tip of the iceberg. So much more enlightening and educative videos are going to be popping up on your screens soon enough. So please do well to hit the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. Now we're talking about the skills of a product manager. What are some of those skills that make you a really good product manager? Number one is strategic thinking. You are strategic in your thinking. You're not just one way. You don't just think of the norms. So if someone is doing a company, for example, a company that makes nylons, just make one type of nylon. As a product manager, you're supposed to think strategically. What are the ways we're going to make this nylon in such a way that our product is good? So a product manager is almost like a marketer, like a sales marketer, because how you appear, what you think, what you bring into the table of that company is how people are going to look at that company itself. So as a product manager, you're almost like a marketer, or even though you're not directly called a marketer, you manage that product. Number two is adaptability and flexibility. Now you're supposed to be to easily adapt to changes. One thing that's going to be consistent is change. Change happens frequently. So you're supposed to learn the skills of being able to adapt to changes in your world. For example, you are into production. You're into production. And you discover that there have been no much requests on the previous production that you've been doing. Now, as a product manager, you learn that you are supposed to check the market again, check what people want to do. When they give you feedback and you see that the feedback doesn't align with what you are doing currently, take note of that feedback and work tirelessly on it. Work tirelessly on that feedback. Be flexible. Be flexible. Don't be rigid. Be flexible. Don't be rigid. Don't say this is how we're going to do it. You'll just end up bringing down the company as a product manager. Don't bring it down. That product will just not sell. Communication and collaboration. Please communicate. Communicate. Communicate feedbacks to your CEO, to someone, the person, to the owner of the company, and collaborate with top companies as well, who will be able to help scale your company, which will in turn scale your product and bring your product to limelight. Number four, problem solving and decision making. Product manager solves problems. There will always be problems. So as a product manager, you sit in the board of directors, solve the problems, make decisions that will trigger and foster success of that product. Number five, leadership and influence. As a product manager, you are a leader. You are a leader, you are supposed to lead and also influence. I'm going to be giving us an assignment at the end of this class, and that assignment is what we are going to work on. Types of product manager, types of product manager. Now, these types of product manager is more of telling us what types of product manager do we have. Number one is a business product manager. We have a business product manager. A business product manager focuses on business strategy, market analysis. It's more like a marketer. You focus on business strategy and marketing. Verify the market. I said that in our previous video. So a business manager, you manage the business, okay? Focus on strategy that will help the business grow and more. Then number two, growth product manager. A growth product manager focuses on user acquisition and retention. A growth product manager is more like a customer service operator. So what you do is you focus on getting more users, people to use your product, and also retain them for them to continue using it. Keep tracks of your customer, have a customer database, keep track of them. You can use a software, can use any software that would help you to keep track of your customer database. I'm going to suggest 3 softwares that we can use underneath in the comment section of this video. Those 3 softwares are going to help you to be able to keep track of your customer database, have a database. When you use them, you have a list of a database. You'll be able to use them to build a list of database for your clients and your customers. So you can use that as if you're a good product manager. Then next one is technical product manager. The technical product manager, you focus on technical aspects of product development. A technical product manager should be able to work with a software tester, someone who is a software tester, to ensure that to make sure that product, the technical aspect of the product works very well. So a technical product manager can also be a software test, a quality assurance expert. Now, career path. What are some of the career paths in product management? I don't want this video to be long, so I have to rush it. Associate product manager, more like a support product manager. Then a product manager. Yeah, just strictly product manager. Then you also have a senior product manager. Then you have product lead, you have director of product, and you have VP of product. So there are a lot of things to this because all of these things are going to help your product, right? They're going to help your product to become good. Now, let's also look at the next one we have is industries. What industries can a product manager work in? So most of you people think that a product manager does work only in the tech. No, a product manager doesn't just work only in the tech aspect. You can work in the tech and software department. You can also work in the e-commerce department, right? People who are into e-commerce. And you can also work as a finance person, healthcare department, and consumer goods department as well, right? We have them all over. It's just that we don't know these people are product managers. We don't see them as product managers, or rather we've not been seeing them as product managers before. But now we are going to we've had that inclusion that yes, these people are product managers and they are building it also in the tech industry. Yeah. So very good. Now your assignment goes first. Find out a product. Listen carefully. Find out 2 major products in today's markets. One of the products will be one that is thriving, and the other one will be one that has gone extinct. It could be a product, it could be a company. One company who has gone extinct and one company who is doing the same thing that a company that went extinct did and is thriving. Find out, do a research on those 2 companies. Tell me 1 or 2 things that they are doing or that they've been doing correctly and the ones that are thriving and the ones who went extinct, what did they do that made it? Or now I'll give you an example. Mr. Biggs as a catering company, if you're in Nigeria, you know Mr. Biggs, a very big catering company. There was a time Mr. Biggs was all that there is to having an eatery. But as time goes on, they went exit. I'm not even sure that they are currently running business. And now we have other and so many other big businesses now. We have big eateries. We have Chicken Republic. Um, we have big ones. We have other big Chicken Republic. We have the Star Republic. We have so many republics, so many big um industries now, right? To find out what they're doing and what they've not been doing, the difference and what's the difference between them. Let's build on that. Now, if you've watched this video and you've not subscribed to this video and you want to be part of this assignment, do well to comment your email address in the comment section. See you in our next class. Thank you.